Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy machinery with a look at some of the most impressive machines revolutionizing construction and mining. These machines are designed to tackle the toughest jobs with efficiency and precision. We'll explore the cutting-edge technology behind each machine, showcasing their capabilities and how they're reshaping the industry. So buckle up and join us as we take a closer look at these engineering marvels. The Alcons EC 6000 Combi machine is shown on the screen. This large-scale machine combines a chain trimmer and a rotary liner, allowing it to excavate and lay asphalt at the same time. It is ideal for both fine and volumetric lining of canals, which helps reduce concrete loss. The machine can also be used for continuous lining of canals and rivers. The mobile platform is equipped with a diesel-electric generator, which provides decentralized power supply, making it more accurate than standard models. Pantini and Zoom, with many years of experience in the design and manufacture of mining equipment, offer reliable and cost-effective solutions for low-bed vehicles. In this regard, they have developed the new 360-ton Panther Series 2 truck, specially designed for the mining industry with an emphasis on ease of use. This low-bed truck can carry from 80 to 100 tons and is easily adapted to the specifics of ground and mining equipment, as well as to different conditions in mines. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for the needs of the mining industry. What you see is the ZR360L rotary drilling rig, which is designed to drill a maximum diameter of 8.2 feet and a depth of up to 328 feet. This machine is equipped with a single helical rope main winch, and a two-stage drum transmission mechanism significantly extends the service life of the steel rope. A high-performance main pump ensures efficient operation of the structure, while a multi-stage rotor drive and a two-speed feed cylinder contribute to high productivity. Stability and lifting capacity are improved thanks to improved weight, dual booms with a parallel lowering mechanism, and a robust chassis. The 995F is a powerful and reliable machine that delivers high levels of productivity, safety, and operator comfort. This new model is capable of handling a variety of applications, from stripping and haulage to mining, quarrying, demolition, material handling, and reclamation. The 995EF delivers high digging force, fast cycle times, and excellent fuel economy. It is compatible with a wide range of attachments, including hammers and rock buckets, making it a versatile solution for many applications and providing maximum return on investment. The CAT 836K landfill compactor is a powerful machine with 535 horsepower and an operating weight of 55 tons. It offers high levels of reliability and productivity, as well as operator safety and comfort. Part of a family of machines that have been operating in landfills for more than 20 years, this model is equipped with proven technologies that significantly improve the efficiency of operations. The service capabilities and overall efficiency of the 836K make it a leader in its class, providing optimal results in waste disposal applications. The versatile Trail King offers a variety of configurations for improved maneuverability. It can be used with a Shable configuration, replacing the standard wheelbase with a steerable 13-axle model, or with a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation. The new design provides a greater steering angle and allows for tighter turns, reducing the need for manual steering. The mobile unit allows for wireless manual steering and includes an automatic self-centering feature that levels the dolly after manual steering. These improvements make the Trail King ideal for working in challenging conditions. The DT30PM Vityaz is a two-link, tracked all-terrain vehicle with armor protection for the fighting compartment, designed to transport personnel and military equipment in difficult road and climatic conditions. This vehicle can be used without preliminary route reconnaissance and the absence of engineering equipment. It also serves as a base for installing weapons. The power plant is located on the first link behind the cabin. The engine is a 12-cylinder, multi-fuel diesel BE46. Torque is transmitted from the engine through the cardan shaft to the hydromechanical transmission, after which it is directed to the bevel and final drives, setting the drive wheels in motion. When engineering meets art, the unique CIFA 47H concrete pump is based on the Mercedes-Benz A-Rock 8X4. This powerful unit is capable of pumping 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, allowing the material to flow freely through its carbon booms. But this is not just a machine. It symbolizes power and elegance, where every element, from the antennas to the handrails, contributes to the harmony of the engine. This concrete pump not only delivers high performance, but also inspires success in every project, creating confidence in its reliability. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into some of the most innovative machinery in the industry today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content about heavy machinery and construction equipment. Have any questions or thoughts? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.